Life is a dichotomy, and life throws up pictures which hold wide ramification. Take the case of this boatman. The two parts of the village, Dubetola, is divided by the Faddo river between Kurni and Madhuban. When in spate, boats are the only means of contact with the outside world. This boatman is the only facilitator of communication. He narrates a heart-rending tale about a co-villager.
पुल बनने से बहुत हमारे गांव का समाज का सुविधा मिल गया। ये इसमें से जब बाढ़ आ गया तो ये सब सड़क डूब गया। ये में से नैया लेकर आदमी आया, उस पार गए नैया लेकर। उतने देर में फोन दूसर पब्लिक आ गया गाँव का, तो हेल गया। दो चार आदमी मना करा, न बुझा, कहा जे ना हम तरता गांव का हम रहने वाले हैं, पार न पाए इधर आवे के, वैसे ही में डूब कर मर गए।
This tractor driver says he is able to save a detour of 18 kilometers.
ये पुल बनने से हम लोग को बहुत सुविधा है। 18 किलोमीटर घूमना पड़ता था, अब नजदीकी पड़ता है।
10 गांव की पंचायत का सुविधा हो गया। किरमा का भी लोग आता है, बचपन का भी आता है, घुसुकपुर भी आता है, गौसरा आता है, चंडहिया आता है, बसौली आता है।
खेती बाड़ी जहाँ के तहीं उन्ने के नहीं, इन्ने के नहीं, आदमी न कहूँ जाए तब इतना
दिक्कत है। आर पार करने में डूब जाते हैं। पर साल भी लोग डूबे हैं, करीब 5-7 यहाँ तक बारातें हो चुकी हैं डूबने वाली। इससे कम से कम बचे हैं लोग।
These are just case and example. Similar stories span the entire state where such bridges have been built. Bridges truly build trust. Gratitude is reflected on the faces of these villagers. School-going children, laborers going to their workplace, people going for their medical needs, the poor villagers riding bicycles or going on foot does touch a chord. Law and order too has improved, providing easy access to the crime scene for the police force. Bridges hold importance for 4 basic needs of modern day existence: economic well-being, law and order, medical need, communication. The geographic and other factors of the state necessitates the need for infrastructure and in turn bridges. Hence there has been a major thrust on building of bridges in the state by the government. The government entrusted Bihar Rajya Pul Nirman Nigam with building large number of small as well as big bridges in the state under its flagship scheme Mukhyamantri Setu Nirman Yojana. This in turn proved to be the major turning point in the Nigam's journey. Newer responsibilities like road construction, toll collection, construction of irrigation projects, building construction, event management handed to Pul Nigam as additional responsibilities have been handled with aplomb. From a turnover of Rs 95 crores in 2006 to executing projects worth Rs 756 crores in 2009, Nigam has certainly taken giant steps. A common refrain in the government organization is slow pace of decision making. The officers of Pul Nigam now talk of fast decision making.
डिसीजन जो फास्ट हो गया, डिसीजन टेकिंग प्रोसेस जो बहुत बड़ा हेल्प कर रहा है काम को आगे बढ़ाने में। जो भी हमारा मैनेजमेंट एक टारगेट फिक्स कर रहा है, जो भी हमारे लिए गोल सेट कर रहा है, उसको पाने की एक लालसा जो हम लोगों में है कि नहीं, we have to do.
This turnaround has been due to able leadership and committed workforce. There have been several initiatives undertaken to improve the internal functioning as well as external monitoring of projects being undertaken. Human resource management, fixation of centage, technical support from professional consultant. The entire work area at the headquarters and the field offices have been computerized. The laboratory for quality control has been modernized. A system of mobile inspection through cell phones has been adopted for the first time in the country for better monitoring and decision making on the projects located in far-flung areas. Online monitoring system of projects has been adopted. Computer-aided design and digitization of old drawings has been adopted. VPN and Wi-Fi connectivity for better functioning of engineers and staff has been introduced. These steps have also helped in the turnaround of Pul Nigam.
We are relying a lot on the technology aspect. For instance, we have gone for VPN connectivity. We are having a Wi-Fi facility in our headquarters. We have introduced a system of mobile inspector wherein we directly monitor the progress of schemes all over the state.
There is a refreshing spring in the work of the staff. They exude a confidence. Commitment is reflected in their faces and working. It reflects their resolve to achieve higher goals. They aim to become leaders in their field of operation, to be at par with the best on the national stage. Newer techniques and tools have added efficiency to the functioning of Pul Nigam. The interactive map provides complete information to the user up to the block level about location of national highways, state highways, water bodies, location of bridges. This being linked with a database which is constantly upgraded, a handy kit for monitoring. The drawings of the Nigam, which were getting soiled with time, have been archived in digital form. One senses a feeling of camaraderie among the staff members who say they work as a family.
निगम का एक कल्चर ही कहेंगे कि हम लोग एक फैमिली की तरह यहाँ पर हैं.
Get together organized in Nigam are an occasion to strengthen the ties among colleagues. Gymnasium on the campus gives an impression of a true corporate entity, healthy and wise. What has further added spurs to the staff working in Pul Nigam is the system of rewarding officers and staff who have performed well.
यहाँ पर जो एम्प्लॉइज का कमिटमेंट, लीडरशिप, my services being recognized in the Nigam.
Establishment Day is another occasion when the employees are in their impeccable dresses and dressed up for the big occasion. The Honorable Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister have word of encouragement for Bihar Rajya Pul Nirman Nigam.
मुझे आज पुल निर्माण निगम के इस पूरे प्रेजेंटेशन और सारी चीज़ों को देखकर बड़ी खुशी हो रही है और मैं तो ये चाहूँगा कि जिस तरह से यहाँ का सेटअप बना है, पटना सचिवालय भी धीरे धीरे उसी दिशा में आगे बढ़े.
पुल निर्माण निगम में इंजीनियर की कोई कमी तो है नहीं, सब अच्छे हैं, अधिकारी ठीक है. तो अवसर की बात है, माहौल की बात है. जब माहौल ठीक हो गया, अवसर दिया गया, तो आप एक सक्सेस स्टोरी के रूप में परिणत हो गए. अगर सरकार कोई कंपनी खोलती है, चलाती है और वो कंपनी लाभ कमाने लगती है, तो सरकार को डिविडेंड मिलता है, लाभांश मिलता है.
And enthusiasm is perceptible among the employees. The well-performing officers and employees are rewarded on this occasion, and this has instilled in them a sense of pride for the organization. 360 bridges in last 3 years is a wondrous achievement of Bihar Rajya Pul Nirman Nigam. A feather in the cap.
We have introduced some of the measures like paid vacations to our employees who have done very well. We have a state-of-the-art fitness facility in the headquarters. We have community lunches. We have regular brainstorming sessions. We interact with the employees fortnightly to discuss the various issues. We celebrate the major Indian festivals together. And all this has contributed in a big way regarding the feeling, the concept which I have mentioned, the we feeling. And this is the key factor behind the turnaround of the corporation.
As someone had said, the road is long and difficult, but only brave are the ones who tread on it.